Hey y'all, I'm about to do hopefully this is good lighting. I'm about to do a harvesting tomato video in a moment. But I did want to show y'all the cleanup of these honeydew melons. They did get my small ones that I was hoping to save, but the screen didn't come in until the day before yesterday. So they got the other two, and I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm just gonna put it in the bag and everything I need to fertilize these plants because my tomatoes are still producing, and I'm about to show y'all that now. Y'all can see them tomatoes that I gotta harvest right here. These are still producing, We got tomatoes all on the patio as well. This one big bush by itself. This another one. Oh, it got spider webs right here. So, them spiders be helping. They be keeping the bugs away from my tomatoes. So I don't bother them if they don't bother me. They keep my tomatoes protected. So, cause they be trapping them bugs with my food. They be trapping them and everything. So they keep the bugs low, quiet as kept. So yeah, these are going to get picked. Even if they're green, if they're pretty nice size, I'm going to pick them as well. Because I can just sit them in the window and get them ripe. So that's a trick. If you got big juicy, see this big juicy green one? Or this one? And they not all already red. Girl, just pick them and sit them in your windowsill. They're going to get real ruby red and plump. So these 4 is my sweetie tomatoes. Right here. All of these 4 along. This one as well. This one that's leaning is a cherry. You can see it needs to be picked. Cherry. This one got worm ate it. A cut worm. That one is growing weird. I don't know what's up with that. My marigolds is still thriving and surviving. It was a honeydew back here. It dropped. They ate that. I'm gonna cut it here in a second. And this the honeydew I just wrapped. Hopefully you don't get that one. This one real baby. Let's get to cutting, shall we? Excuse that noise. That is my AC. It's all set up. Real ghetto, but I'm gonna have to copy y'all right there. I cut it away from the vine. I'm gonna stick it in the bag. Like so. And the other one's smaller the way also. Let's get that one. Y'all might not be able to see me cut it because it's I don't know, let's see. Hopefully I can get one more melon. Look at that, y'all. Look at this pepper. I ain't even see that. See that red pepper? Girl, they ate it. So I'm gonna cut that off. Cause they ate that pepper off of it, y'all. So that ain't it. That's not what's hitting. Girl, y'all ain't gonna be able to see this one. Ooh. Cut it and grab it. Booyah. That's the other one. Yeah, that's the other one that took a bite out of crying, man. There's one in here. And we just gonna disregard these. So that's the two. I haven't found any more melons. So that's how that's looking. Girl, I forgot these sweet melons supposed to turn different colors. But I gotta kill that one because the worms done ate that. Look at that. The worm ate it. Right there, if you can see that. Oh, let me get y'all some more lighter. Can you see that? There you go. See that worm ate that? Yeah, so that's no good. Would have been a good pepper. So that is it on that. So let me set y'all up. I might bring this too far, girl. So let me set y'all up. So we can get to harvesting. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna set y'all up so I don't have to mess y'all again. I think that's good. I just have to move it. Yeah. Hopefully. As I said earlier, let me get to harvesting these tomatoes and let's see how much I get from this harvest. Here we go. I'm going to the Sweeties tomatoes first. Hopefully y'all can see that. Of course, it got eaten by the worm, but these trees actually also need water. They haven't received water in 2 days. I didn't water them again because it rained really heavy. So hopefully I'm not too far in the camera. They was really heavy. I mean, it was a heavy rain pour, so I didn't water it. So I have to go ahead and water again. I'm gonna water in the morning, so y'all see that. I will go do a video on that. So let's get some. This is what I gotten so far. Y'all see? From them 2 trees, I had to go on the deck because there's some leaning actually on the deck. And don't mind some of them being green. They are going to finish turning red in my windowsill. So hopefully y'all can see that. It ain't that much, about 20 collected from them 2. So let's finish collecting, shall we? Also, while I'm getting collecting the tomatoes and all that, I'm looking for cutworms or any type of worms so I can pick them off. So I'm doing that. This is how much I got so far. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, there we go. I'm doing a quality check as well. See if I'm still rolling. Hey y'all already know the drill. I had to do a voiceover because my phone started malfunctioning and muted my sound somehow. I don't know how that happened, but here we are. I wasn't talking about much here, but probably the disasters that's been happening in my garden and how I'm pushing forward even though those disasters are happening. If you guys don't mind, please comment below some encouraging words because sometimes this gardening stuff can get overwhelming. So if you guys can do me that favor, just leave me a little comment of encouragement. I'd like to thank you in advance for that. If I haven't said so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. That helps us out a lot. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you'll know every time I drop a video. And until next time, peace. I see you in my next video. Bye.